Never in 32 years have I been this sick. It's going on 10 days. I went to Med Express. They said upper respiratory infection. Gave me antibiotics and steroid. Tomorrow's my last dose of it. I still feel like crap. I can't sleep at night. I wake up coughing out of my sleep. I have no mucus coming up when I spit. If anything comes up when I cough, it's clear. My nose is a little bit stuffy, but not much. I don't have a fever.
Those two things don't even make sense. Stop telling stories.
I had a bad headache for 2 days straight, but I think it was from coughing so much. Somebody please tell me if they have this or what they did. I didn't even have COVID when COVID was around. I've never been this sick. I'm thinking about doing a 48-hour fast because they say fasting can reset your immune system and everything. Someone please help. Tell me what it is going around that I've never experienced in 32 years.